Hello, Kamato Class! Welcome back sa isa na namang pagtuklas ng aralin sa mathematics. Let us consider that we will simplify the expression x raised to 2/5 times the quantity x raised to negative 1/5 times y raised to 1/5 times the quantity x raised to 2 times y raised to negative 2 raised to 2/5 raised to 1/2 raised to 10. For us to simplify the expression, we need to work on or apply the properties of exponent. Let us see the solution. But before that, it is very important that we know the order of operations. Remember that with this expression, there are three grouping symbols involved. This one, which is the braces, the bracket, and the parentheses. For us to simplify any of the expression, we always started using the parentheses. That means to say, what's inside the parentheses, yan yung una nating isi-simplify. Then after simplifying yung nasa parentheses, it follows by the bracket. So ito naman yon, tong bracket na to. Then the last is the braces. That means to say, those who are not part of the parentheses will be copied first, like this one. Kokopyahin na lang muna natin yung part ng expression na yan, same as yung 10 na to. Then after that, i-distribute na natin inside the parentheses by applying the laws of exponent. So yung 1/2 at yung 10, ika-copy na lang din natin. So let us see the result. So first thing is to copy x raised to 2/5. We have this. Then copy x raised to 1/5. We copy here. Then y raised to 1/5. We also copy that. Then since this will be distribute this 2/5 here to the exponent of x, so 2 times negative 2/5, so 2 times negative 2 is negative 4/5. So magiging x raised to negative 4/5. Same as y raised to negative 2, this exponent will be multiplied here. So negative 2 times negative 2/5, positive, so positive 4/5. So kaya naging y raised to 4/5. Sabi natin a while ago, copy 1/2 and copy 10. Okay, so that's the first thing we applied. Then after that, we will be working with bracket. So ito naman, this symbol bracket. So itong nasa loob niya will be distribute here sa 1/2. Okay, so copy muna natin yung x raised to 2/5. Then we will multiply it one at a time. Okay, so that symbol represents that we are about to multiply. Okay, then this will be the result. Copy x raised to 2/5, then 1/2 times negative 1/5, that is negative 1/10. So kaya x raised to negative 1/10. 1/5 times 1/2, that's same as negative 1/10. So that's y raised to negative 1/10. Then itong x naman na to, negative 4/5 times 1/2. Negative 4 times 1 is 4, and 5 times 2 is 10. Negative and positive, so negative tayo. Negative 4/10. This y, 4/5 raised to 1/2. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 2 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10, I mean. So that's positive 4/10. So this will be the result. So, copy na lang natin yung 10. So, yung 1 up, wala na kasi we distributed that already. Then, after that, this time around, yung 10 na exponent na nasa braces, yun na yung i-distribute natin one at a time sa lahat ng nakikita natin na may part na may exponent. So, one at a time. So, we have that. So, this will be the result. So, x raised to 2 times 10. So, 10 times 2 is 20. Divide 5 is 4. Kaya x to the 4th here. Then, this one naman, x raised to negative 1, 10 times 10, yung exponent, 10 times negative 1 is negative 10 divided by 10, that's negative 1. Kaya itong x raised to 1, 10 times 10, naging x raised to negative 1. Same as y raised to 1, 10 times 10. Same lang sila. Kaya magiging y raised to negative 1. Next is x raised to negative 4 over 10. 10 times 4 is 40. Divide 10. 40 divide 10 is negative 4. Ay may negative tayo dito, kaya negative 4 yan. X raised to negative 4. Next is 10 times 4 for y is 40. Divide 10, that's 4. Kaya y to the 4th. This time around, we are about to simplify those with the same base. X to the 4th, same base. Ito rin x raised to negative 1. At itong x raised to negative 4. Same ito namang y raised to negative 1. Tsaka y raised to negative 4. Same din yan ng base. So, isi-simplify natin yan. Unahin natin yung x to the 4th, x to the negative 1, x raised to negative 4. Same base, copy the same base, then add the exponent. 4 plus negative 1 is positive 3. Positive 3 plus negative 4 is negative 1. Kaya naging negative 1 yung exponent ng x. Then doon tayo sa y. Y raised to negative 1, negative 1, tsaka y raised to 4, same base, copy natin yung y, and add the exponent. Negative 1 plus 4 is positive 3. Then after that, we will simplify this more. Since the exponent of x is negative, we will apply the negative law of exponent. And this will be the result. So yung positive na yung exponent, we copy that. Y raised to 3. This will be at the denominator para maging positive yung exponent. So sa halip na x raised to 1, kasi positive na, pwedeng x na lang yung isulat natin. Hence, our answer when we simplify this expression is y raised to 3 over x. Hope we learn from this video tutorial. God bless us.